Hello learners, welcome to my session. I am Lalita Vish from School of Computer Science and IT, Uttarakhand Open University. In today's session, we will discuss feedback and surveys, tools and activities. This will be the first part of the session. As they say, good marketing makes the company look smart. Great marketing makes the customer feel smart. So as in the last lecture, we discussed about freelancing skills and opportunities. In today's lecture, learning objectives will be to understand the importance of feedback and surveys in digital marketing. We'll also try to define the feedback mechanism and its types. We'll be defining the survey tools for entrepreneurs. Feedback and surveys in digital marketing. What are actually the feedback in digital marketing? When we talk about a feedback survey in digital marketing, a feedback survey is actually a structured approach to evaluate customer satisfaction, loyalty, and overall experience with the product, service, or the business itself. These surveys provide insight into customer preferences, expectations, and challenges when interacting with a brand. For instance, a patient feedback survey might assess experience with medical staff and appointment booking, while a customer survey may focus on aspects like product delivery or service quality. Now, if we take a real-life example of a feedback survey for online food delivery application, we can take the example of an online food delivery application. The purpose of such survey will be to evaluate customer satisfaction with delivery, food quality, and application usability. And the process for such survey will be, at the initial stage, there will be a trigger through survey sent after order delivery via application notification or through emails. At the second stage, there will be questions, and the questions will be like rating the delivery time, food quality, and application usability. And such rating is usually done between 1 to 5 stars. Other than that, there will be open-ended option where the customers can put in their suggestions for improvement. And what will be the outcome of such survey? Such surveys help to identify issues, for example, delays, application bugs, etc. They also help us to improve service based on customer feedback. And also, at the same time, they can enhance customer loyalty by addressing concerns. This structured feedback helps refine operation and retain customers. Feedback mechanism in digital marketing. Now, when we define feedback mechanism specifically in digital marketing, it is actually the process of collecting, analyzing, and using consumer feedback or response to refine digital marketing strategies. What is a feedback loop? Now, when we talk about feedback mechanism, it actually is followed through by following the feedback loop. Feedback loop is a structured approach designed for your team to manage issues identified during social listening. This process outlines the appropriate people or departments responsible for addressing specific concerns and define who is accountable for resolving them. Now, we can try and understand this feedback loop. This feedback loop works through social listening, where a community member voices the issue. Now, this feedback loop can be understood with the help of this picture, where a community member voices the issue. Now, if the issue is forwarded to community member, he listens the issue and tries to identify that will it be resolved at his level. If so, it is resolved within 12 or 24 hours accordingly. And if not, it is further forwarded to customer service department and it is checked whether it is of customer care issue. If so, it is routed to the customer care department and they provide the resolution for the same issue within the fixed time. Further, if it is not an issue of customer care, it is further forwarded to content team if it is a content-based issue. And if it is found to be a content-based issue, the content team provides a solution within the fixed amount of time. Further, if it is not a content-based issue, it may be a product issue. It is further forwarded to the product team, finally finds a solution for the problem and provides the solution within the fixed amount of time. This is how the feedback loop actually works. Now, if we talk about types of feedback mechanism, there are basically 4 types of feedback mechanism. First is direct feedback. What is a direct feedback? The feedback which is collected through surveys, ratings and reviews is a direct feedback. Secondly, social listening. Monitoring social media and online platform for customer sentiments. So, any feedback collected through social media is social listening. Third, behavioral feedback. Behavioral feedback can be defined as insight from website analytics, click-through rates, and user behavior. And finally, automated feedback. What is an automated feedback? AI-driven tools for real-time consumer interactions and insights provide the feedback, and such feedback is termed as automated feedback. Now, what is in detail if we find what is a direct feedback? Through surveys, ratings and reviews. Direct feedback refers to the process where the businesses, educators or service providers collect input directly from their target audience, such as customers, students or users. This feedback typically takes the form of survey ratings and reviews and is vital for understanding experiences, measure satisfactions and making informed decisions to improve services or products. Second, surveys. Surveys are structured questionnaires designed to collect specific information. They can be conducted online, in person, or over the phone. We can take an example of an e-commerce site. In an e-commerce platform like Amazon, which sends post-purchase surveys to the customers asking about their satisfaction with the delivery, product quality, and overall experience. The survey might include questions about the timeliness of delivery, a rating scale for the quality of the product, an open-ended section for additional comments. Now, in real-life scenario in education, say a university conducts an end-of-semester survey asking students to rate their instructors, course contents, and overall learning experience. The result helped the institution identify areas for improvement, such as updating course materials or providing more resources. Then we can talk about rating. A rating involves user providing a numerical or star-based score, usually on a scale of 1 to 5 or from 1 to 10, or for it can be rated through stars for a product, for a service or any experiences. Rating gives a quick snapshot of overall sentiment. So we can take an example of a restaurant on Zomato or Google reviews, which allows the people to rate their experience on a scale of 1 to 5. A high rating indicates satisfaction, while a low rating signals issues that need to be addressed. If we talk about a real life scenario in application, mobile application often prompt users to rate their experience after usage. For example, after booking a ride on Uber, passengers and drivers rate each other. This ensures accountability and helps improve service quality. Then we talk about reviews. What are reviews? Reviews are quantitative feedback where users share detailed opinions, often accompanied by rating. Like a customer writes a review on Flipkart after purchasing a smartphone, mentioning the feature, for example, like the camera quality and the areas of improvement. For example, say low battery life. This helps future buyers to make informed decisions and provide manufacturers with insight to refine their products. And if we talk about real life scenario in travel, travelers on TripAdvisor write detailed reviews about hotels or destination, sharing their experiences, photos and tips for other travelers. Hotel management can respond to reviews to address concerns or express gratitude for positive feedback. Now, next is survey tools for entrepreneurs. Survey tools are programs or platforms that let business owners to create, disseminate, and evaluate surveys in order to collect insightful data, feedback, and insights. Understanding consumer preferences, spotting marketing trends, enhancing goods and services, and making data-driven decisions all depend on these technologies. Different survey tools for entrepreneurs. These are some of the survey tools which can be used by entrepreneurs. One of them are Google Forms. Then we can have SurveyMonkey. Then we have Typeforms and Microsoft Forms. There are many more, but these are few of them. So if we talk about Google Form, we all must be familiar with Google Forms. They are the most frequently used survey tools. Google Forms are the free, user-friendly survey tool from Google. The key features of Google Forms are they can be customized with multiple question type, multiple choice questions, text and drop-downs. Other than that, integration with Google Sheet for real-time data analysis. And they are very easy for sharing through links or emails. Use case for entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs can use Google Forms to gather customer feedback on a new product launch or conduct internal employee satisfaction survey. Other than Google Form, we have SurveyMonkey. It is a versatile survey platform with both free and premium features. What are the key features? Advanced survey customization option, AI-powered insights and analytics, predefined survey templates for different industries. Now, if we talk about use case for entrepreneur, a small business owner could use SurveyMonkey to evaluate customer satisfaction or test a new business idea with potential customers. After SurveyMonkey, we have Typeform, a sleek interactive survey tool designed for engaging respondents. What are the key features of Typeform? Conversational style form that feel more personal. Multimedia supported, like images and videos are supported. Integration with tools like Slack, MailChimp and HubSpot. Use case for entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs running a creative agency can use Typeform to capture detailed client requirements through an engaging and branded survey. Microsoft Forms, a survey tool integrated with Microsoft 365. What are the key features? The real-time data collection and visualization. Easy integration with other Microsoft applications like Excel. Simple and clean interface for quick survey. Use case for entrepreneurs. A startup team can use Microsoft Form to gather employee feedback on company policies or cultural initiatives. Now, what are the benefits of using survey tools for entrepreneurs? First of all, they are very cost efficient. Now, the cost efficiency being the first benefit, most tools offer free version or affordable pricing plans. Other than that, they are very speedy. Speed is the second benefit. Quickly create and distribute surveys to broad audience. They are data-driven decision. Gather actionable insights, data-driven decisions. Gather actionable insight to refine business strategies. And finally, customization. Tailor surveys to match branding and target audience needs. So this is for this session. In the next session, we'll be discussing about feedback and survey tools, the second part. Thank you.